Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Update your Quest 3 and the Oculus PC app so drivers won't conflict. Once done, install Steam VR and the official Valve Index drivers on your PC to recognize the controllers. Make sure your Quest is connected to the PC via Oculus Link cable or stable AirLink. This gives the PC the headset input channel. You're establishing a reliable data path now, so the Index controllers can be paired and tracked by Steam VR later. You'll now pair the Index controllers through Steam VR while the Quest is connected. First, open Steam VR and go to Devices, then Pair Controller. Choose the Index option. Next, put each controller into Bluetooth pairing mode by holding System and Grip until the LED flashes. This makes the controller discoverable to Steam VR. Once Steam VR shows the controller, confirm pairing and calibrate orientation. Repeat for the second controller, and let Steam VR finish the initial calibration so tracking aligns with the headset's virtual space. Finish by restarting Steam VR and your Oculus Link session so both systems pick up the new controllers. You should recenter your view and run the Steam VR room setup to align the tracked play area with the Quest tracking. If one or both controllers don't track, check Bluetooth adapter placement, free up USB bandwidth, and ensure controllers have charge. You may need to power cycle headset, PC, or repair controllers. If problems persist, try a different USB port and repeat pairing to clear stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.